Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're checking out this pure organic liquid elderberry vegan 200 mg extra strength immune booster, 2 ounces by VITBOOST or VITBOOST. Let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys what you get. I'm going to be testing this out for probably 2 weeks before I actually recommend it or not recommend it. So this is what it looks like. It comes with the dropper bottle, because I don't want to, just try something and then say, oh yeah guys, tastes great or whatnot. So we're gonna test this out, and let's go ahead on the back here and see. Shake well before use. Place 2 full drops under the tongue. Hold for 20 seconds before swallowing. Drops can be added to water or juice. Use once daily or as directed by your healthcare provider. So let's go ahead and open this up and taste it. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like. It definitely doesn't smell the greatest. But I've never had elderberry. I don't know what that smells like, so let's go ahead and try this. So put it under your tongue for 20 seconds. Woo! It's interesting, that's for sure. Alright guys, so I have put it under my tongue for 20 seconds, and that stuff is interesting. Very interesting. So I'll probably take 2 weeks to actually test this. When it comes to something like this, I'm not just going to do it one time and that's it. I want to make sure that everything's all right. Kind of a little numb, tingly feeling underneath the tongue, but I'll try it every day for 2 weeks. See you guys in 2 weeks. Here we go. And we are back. So after 2 weeks of testing this stuff out, I don't think I really noticed much of a difference. Now, I do want to point something out, that I very, very rarely get sick anyway. I'm not the kind of person. I take dandelion root and other stuff, and so I don't know. I mean, I can't really tell any difference. I'm still tired, but that's probably because I'm always working. I need to take a vacation. But after a while you get used to the flavor and everything. So I mean, if you guys are into that kind of stuff, I'll keep taking it, but I don't have any side effects, no negative anything. It's a little bitter, a little weird tasting. But overall, guys, I can't really say if it works or doesn't work, because I haven't noticed any difference, and that's just because I very rarely get sick anyway. Maybe once a year, and I'm a pretty energetic person, so I mean, yeah, that's my honest opinion, my friends.